Welcome back, everyone. So far, we have learned what machine learning is and why data is essential. Today, we are taking the next step. The customer data has already been collected. Now, the important question is, which information should we use to train our AI? And just as importantly, how will the AI know whether it has learned the right answer? By the end of this lesson, you will solve both of these questions and build one of the most important foundations of machine learning. Before we talk about features, let's answer a question that many beginners ask. Is all data a feature? Not necessarily. Imagine a retailer has collected lots of customer information. Some of it helps the AI make predictions, some of it doesn't. For example, a customer's shopping history may help recommend products. Their loyalty membership may also help, but their customer ID usually doesn't help. The complete collection is called data. The useful pieces selected from the data are called features. So here is an easy way to remember it. All features come from data, but not all data becomes a feature. Let's begin with the first question. When the AI looks at a customer, it has access to lots of information: purchase history, shopping frequency, loyalty membership, preferred product categories. These pieces of information help describe the customer. In machine learning, we call these as features. Features are simply the pieces of information that help the AI understand a situation before making a decision. The customer information tells only half the story. Now let's look at something different. These are historical shopping records. The shopping has already happened. We already know what each customer eventually purchased. Some customers bought a laptop, some bought a mobile phone, others didn't buy anything at all. Because these outcomes are already known, they can be used to teach the AI. Before we continue, I hope you're finding this course helpful and enjoying the learning journey so far. If you're getting value from these lessons, I would really appreciate your support. Please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your thoughts or questions in the comments. Your support helps us create more free, high-quality learning content for everyone. Thank you, and let's continue learning together. The known outcome in each historical record has a special name. It's called a label. A label is the correct answer that already exists in the historical data. During training, the AI compares the customer's features with this known outcome. That's how it begins to understand which kinds of customers are likely to buy which products. Think of a label as the answer sheet the AI learns from before it starts making predictions. Now we have reached an important milestone. When we combine features with their corresponding label, we create one complete training example. This single record becomes one lesson for the AI. The features describe the customer. The label tells the AI what actually happened. Every supervised machine learning model is trained using thousands or even millions of these complete training examples. One training example teaches the AI very little. Thousands of examples tell a much bigger story. As the AI studies more customer records, it begins to notice patterns. Perhaps customers who regularly buy coffee also purchase biscuits, or customers who buy laptops often purchase accessories. The AI is not memorizing customers, it's learning relationships between features and labels that it can apply to new customers. Let's try a simple example together. Here we have one customer. We already know some information about them. They usually buy coffee and bread. They shop every week. They are gold loyalty member and they are in the 30 to 40 age group. Ask yourself the question, which of these pieces of information help describe the customer? Those are the features. Now look at the product card with the question mark. That represents the label. It's the product this customer actually purchased in the historical record. So in this example, the customer information is made up of features. The actual purchased product is the label. If you can identify those two parts, you have understood one of the most important ideas in supervised machine learning. Today, you have learned two ideas that always work together. Features describe the situation, labels provide the known outcome from historical data. When we combine them, we create training examples that teach the AI how to recognize patterns. Our SmartMart team now has thousands of these training examples ready to use. The next question is, how do we organize all of these examples so they can be used efficiently? That's exactly what we will explore in the next lesson, where we will learn about data sets, the organized collections of data that power every machine learning model.